Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the stream. Now I would like to create a controlling software for my new game show called QuickPic. You can watch the first pilot episode on the channel right now. I was using actually Microsoft PowerPoint to run everything, but I think it would be a lot better if I've got my own tool to manage the game screen, the scores, uh, maybe add some sound effects and stuff. For that, I would like to create a controlling software. Okay, so that's the plan for today. Let's get to it. So I've just copied another project that was for the scene transitions, but I need to set up a few things like namespaces and stuff. So let's do that right now. Uh, I'm just gonna replace the quick key with this. Okay. Sure. And let me create a editor config. Already exists. Okay, then let's add this annoying thing to that. Like that. None. But it's actually IDE 130. Not sure why it matches to 160. I don't like that hint. So, okay, that's all gonna be removed. Don't worry. I think there's something that needs to be changed as well. Like that. And yeah. Okay, just to be super precise. Okay, what next? Think the structure's ready. Gonna need some pictures, obviously. Uh, which one? Let me see if I've got it somewhere. I don't know. Okay, never mind the background now. Let's do the other thingies. Um, Let me find the thing. So, right. Let's just do a testing picture with that. Can I save it somewhere like this? Not sure actually. What if I do new? Yeah, okay. Okay, there's a siren going on. Let me export that. It's this content. Okay. Okay. That's like a one picture you're gonna need. Okay. Then for the window, I'm gonna use the full screen. Okay. Then the window size that's there. Actually, I don't know the resolution. That's QHD, which is 1440p. Yeah, should be 2560 1440. Okay. Then how do we set it to full screen? Like not full screen, but borderless. Is it something there? Borderless? No. I forgot how to do that. Let's Google for mono game borderless window. No. Okay, never mind. Gonna have to search in my own projects then. It was part of the render target 2D, right? I think. So let's take a look there. Let's actually open it up. It's gonna be somewhere there. Yeah, window is borderless. Okay, that's the thing we are looking for. Game window is borderless. Do we have the game? No, we just need the window is borderless. True. Okay. Got black color. None of the contents gonna work now. I've deleted everything. So let's get rid of that inside these things. Do I want to keep these scenes? And maybe even the transitions might be useful for stuff. I'm not sure. Let's keep that in for now. Definitely don't need a character. Sprite might be okay. We'll see. Don't need a character. Don't need a character. Scene transitions. Let's keep that in for now. For these scenes. Okay. We don't have that. We don't have that. Nothing like that. No. No, no. Green. No. And no. Yeah, we've got nothing. The same there. Yeah. Let's get rid of everything basically. Start with a clean slate. And we've got scenes, that's alright. Yeah, I think that's it. Maybe there, yeah. We should just see a black screen basically. Yeah, like that. That's it. That's correct. Okay, now let's start adding the real stuff we need. So we need to generate the playing field of these squares. Let me show you. It's actually how the game plays. Got this playing field. I might need to measure these things at least for basic measurements. And the thing is, it does have different sizes. So I'm thinking whether I need to do it by hand, generating all those, or is there a pattern I can use? I don't think so. No, I don't know. I really don't know. And I want to keep these sizings. Yeah. I'm just manually like place all those rectangles. It's gonna take some time, but let me use that in a Photoshop to get some sense of these sizes. So that's like 325 4 maybe 324 for the biggest one. The standard one, let's go with 160. So the bigger one will be 320. Okay, so the base unit is gonna be 160. Is that a good number? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Okay, 160. And the playing field starts at, let's say, 640, 80. Okay. Let's put those numbers somewhere. I don't know. Should I use a board? Yeah. Let's make a class for the board. Board. Okay. So top left is, I've already forgotten. No, I don't know. 64080. And the tile size is 160. Then there's the half size of that, double and quadruple. Okay, but the base unit is going to be 160. Okay. Texture. Origin, I don't know. Nothing of that for now. Yeah. Let's do a maybe Blake const vector 2. Let's call it, can be private. I don't know. Offset, I don't know. Margin maybe. Vector cannot be const. Okay, then let's make it read only. Margin, and it's gonna be that 64080. What else we need? Like private const and let's call it, I don't know, size. That's gonna be the 160. We need this. No. We will need a lot of rectangles. We also need to be able to click them. So let's do the scenes actually have render targets already. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay. We are calling the load. We can load in there. Okay. Let's start with private. What's that? Private. Rectangle. Do I need an array or a list? I'm gonna prefer array for now. Let's call it tiles. Well, I might want to manually add those, as I've said, but that's gonna be painful. That's gonna be painful. I know there's 48 of them. I could like generate the basic ones, those. But yeah, that's not gonna be aligned properly. Then I could, I don't know. No, there's like, no, I don't see a way how to make it easier than just manually defining all the rectangles, which is not great. I'm sure there could be some. No, I don't know. I just don't know. I guess I'm really gonna have to do that manually. So, uh, tiles. No, you. Okay. What's that? Read only. I don't know, but we can for now. Okay, 48. That's quite a lot. So we've got the X and Y and width and height. Okay. So that's gonna be double the size. Yeah. What's the problem now? Add. Add. Why do you want add? Okay. .NET, how to initialize an array. Really? Uh, without the all this. Yeah. Okay. And initialization can be simplified by this. Okay. Still trying to figure out if there's a better way than doing 48 rectangles manually, because that's not something I want to do right now. But I guess I'm gonna have to. I don't want to change the sizes of the playing field. No, I'm just gonna have to do it. Okay. Then the X gonna be this. Okay. The width and the height is just the size. That's the second one out of 48. Oh, jolly. This is the same, but 4. Okay. How are we going to... know that we've clicked there? We just need to locate the rectangle again. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it slightly differently. Let's do a tile class as well. Tile. Do we need this? We don't need this. Yeah. Let's just do a rectangle. Do we call it a tile? Let's call it rectangle. Rectangle. And it's gonna have an update where we will check if the cursor is inside that rectangle, I guess. Then it's gonna do something. Okay. Yeah. The thing that the tiles are different sizes is complicating things, which I kinda need them to be as they are. Okay. Then I guess we will do this. We will also do this. And now we need to set up the rectangle. And we need to add the margin as well. Okay, and for the rectangle, today we can do a point location and size. Okay, so let's do that to a point to use it as the location. Yeah, it's not great. That's spiraling out of hand really fast. Okay, so that's the top left corner of the playing field. And then we need the point size, which will be like this. Why is this not? Physical reference non-static field property. Private. Okay. Still no. That's a new point. Okay. Still looking for a better way to do that. Still don't see any. But this should be like the top tile. We also want the numbers on the tiles. So this should have something like an ID. Somewhere inside there. Oh, this chair is killing me. Okay. I'll be doing it like that, and maybe I'll come up with a smarter way along the way. Okay, so that's the basically the position of the top left corner, right? Yeah. So that's this. No, that's this for the X. And his size is this and this. Okay, and that's number 2. Right. Okay, next, number 3 should be like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the same. The last one. That's 6. And it's the big one. Okay, something like that. I don't know. Might have done just a list and I don't know. Yeah, I know. Okay, now we've got 4 regular ones somewhere down there. So that's 2, and this is like 1 size below, and the size is 1. Yeah, this one's actually number 8. Yeah. Now we've got 5, 6, 7, all these, and they are just 3, 4, 5. Is that right? That's 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Okay. So that was easy. Okay, next row. That's number 9. We are at 0. and 2 on the y-axis, and that's width and height. That's a tall one. Okay, now we've got 6 of the little guys. This is gonna be like one size. No. One size. Yeah, this is the same. And this size is like that, and it's 10. And we need 5 more. Okay, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15. And just move them alongside there. That's 2, 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep. Okay. Okay, then we've got next row another. Wait, we've got number 16. 16, which is at 7. This, and it's a tall one. Okay, then we've got 2 small guys. That's at 1 and 2. Let's actually put 1 there so it lines up. Maybe even like that. Let's actually put it everywhere. That's 1. I want to put it there, probably. Oh, not like that. How do you? How do? How? I don't know. Never mind. Oh, okay. Um, okay. Okay. Cool. Perfect. So we've ended up with the 16. Okay. 17, 18. It's 1 and 2. And that's 3 rows below. They are the small ones. Okay. And we've got like tiny ones. Yeah, let's do all 4 of those. So that's 19, 20, 21, 22. And those begin at, oh, There's gonna be okay. It should be okay. Right. So 19. That's yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. dy is gonna be interesting because it's the same as 17, 18 for those two, but this one we need to introduce halves, and yeah, it's gonna misalign everything again. I will have to live with it. Or yeah, I need something like 3.5 rounded, which I can't do. So I need 7 halves. Is that so? Yeah. Let's do like that. Okay. And the size is actually the width is, but the height is a half. Let's do it like that. If we do it like that, we will at least there end up in the same place. Okay. It's 21, 22. Okay. Then we've got 2 of those. That's 23, 24. Those are again at 3. Oh, not there, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5 and 6. 5 and 6 and 3 and one size. Okay. Okay, so we've got pretty much half of this. So that's half of the playing field. Unfortunately, I can't just duplicate. Would have to like mirror it somehow. Not sure how, but it's gonna be something like, I don't know. Let's just continue the way we are doing things. Not to mess with anything. 25. That's actually at 0. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, I believe. The size is the long guy. Okay. 26 and 27 are similar. 40x, that's 1 and 2. For the y, yeah, that stays. And the size is 1 and 1. 1, 1. Okay, then we, oh, wait. There should be 4 of the little guys. 19, 20. 19 and 20 should be halves as well. That's, oh no, 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 not there. this is okay, but the size. This one. Like that. Okay. Then we've got 25, 26, 27. Those are done. Yeah, then we need like 4 of those. Okay, that's X. I think this is gonna be the same. 3, 4, 3, 4. Just move them a bit down. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 9 halves. Right. Okay. And the rest is the same. 28, 29, 30, 31. Is that right? I don't know, hopefully. We'll see when it runs. If it runs. Okay, we've got 32, 33. Okay, X. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5 and 6. 5 and 6. It's 4 correct. I should be. And 1, 1, 1. Okay. And we've got one of the longer guys. That's 34. And that's at 7. 2, 4, 2, 4, yeah. 7, 4, and double height. Okay, then we've got 6 of those. Those are 35 through 40. Okay, that's starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the height's gonna be 5. The top. And the rest is this. Okay. So 6 more down. Okay, we are at the bottom left corner. That's something like this. Oh, did we do number 8? Yeah, we did. Okay, that's 41. And that's 6. No, that's 0 and 6. And just double. Yep, that's it. Then 4 little ones. Like that. Let's actually grab 36 and 39. Because that's the same X. I'll just change this to 6. And change the IDs to 43, 44, 5. Okay, then do the big one. It's 6, 6, I think. And that's 48. Yeah, just missing those two. Okay. And those are gonna be the same as those. 46, 47. Okay. 2 and 4 and 7, I think. Yeah. Okay, made it. Slightly painful, not that elegant, but should be functional. Do I care about the order? I don't think so. Shouldn't matter. Yeah, it's okay. Let's leave it as it is. Okay, so those are our 48 rectangles. The thing is, it won't have a like borders. I would have to do a double draw. I mean, it's not big of a problem. Let's deal with this later. Could do a double draw just to draw the border and then the filling. Yeah, solvable. So, what's next? We should draw them, right? Do I do it in a color? Yeah, I know. Public. Let's actually do private. Read only. Color. Let's do color is. Let me see what the color is. It's 140, 118, 65. That's the magic color. Okay. Let's try drawing the thing. It should be easy. Almost private draw. We need a texture, right? We need that 1 pixel texture. Is it any globals? I don't think so. No. Okay. Which episode uses that? Let me see. It's one of the quickies, definitely. Not the template. Where are we drawing something? I'm sure we've used it somewhere. Can't remember where. Huh. Can just Google it again. Let's say monogame pixel texture generate, I don't know, something like this. And I think that is it. Where can we need the graphics device that's there. Let's get a method inside the globals, probably. Or we could actually yeah, can I somewhere, I don't know, let's call it load. Okay, so we need a texture, public static texture to the, I don't know, pixel texture. Okay, and we need like this thing. It's actually gonna be pixel texture. Private set. Gonna be one. That seems like a overkill. The device should be this. We need to set the data, but they are doing it in a weird way. A 1 pixel texture with white color. Okay, this is it. Yeah. Is that right? Yeah. Okay. And we need to call this load somewhere. Probably somewhere inside game. After all of this, I guess there. Okay. Okay. So we got this pixel texture. Then we need the destination rectangle. That's gonna be the rectangle. And the color is gonna be the color. Okay. That was that. Then in the update, we're gonna handle the input later on. Let's just focus on displaying this. Okay. That's the tile. So inside the board, let's just do for each in the tiles. For each tile, tiles, tile draw. That, and this going to work. Not unless I set up a. Do I need the? Yeah, that's. Yeah. Okay, that should work. Yeah, let's create a board. Do I need to make it in the scene 1, I guess? Yeah. Which one's the default? I believe it's scene 1. Why wouldn't it? Okay, so we need a... Does this scene come with the game reference, right? So we need to put it inside the game, actually. Okay. Public board. I don't know. Board. Can be like that. Board new. Okay. Then inside the scene, let's actually do game board draw, and let's see. It should be a golden rectangle in the middle, something like that. Perfect. And given there are no missing pieces, it's telling me I have set up all the rectangles correctly. And now, as I've said, we should, it would be better to see the borders, right? So I guess I should do a double draw. Do the borders. Yeah, something like that. Let's see. So let's get back to the tile. Let's actually say this is gonna be color black. Black. There's something like shrink or inflate, deflate. No, I'm sure there is. Or R is rectangle. There was something like that. Is that there's inflate? Can I use inflate with negative numbers? I hope so. Oh, let's try. What does it want? It's actually not returning anything. It's changing the data of the first one, which is not great. Okay. Oh, I have two of them. Let's call this one border rectangle. That's gonna be the full one. No, let's actually call it rectangle. Let's call it the inner rectangle. But that's a struct. That should be copied with values, right? If I do that, and if I do that, like, I don't know, -2, -2, it's definitely not working. Yeah, sure. We will have to make our constructor. Okay, by rectangle is R. The ID is ID by dot. Now we need to set a copy of that. Oh, actually, can I do something like inner rectangle is R and inner rectangle inflate minus, I don't know. Let's see, 2. It's actually gonna be 4 for the two borders next to each other. 4 pixels. We'll see how it looks. Okay, and let's do this one. Then we need the inner with the color. Okay, this could work. Hopefully, I don't know. Let's see. Not at all. How come? How come? Why not? Adjust the edges of the investment for the logical amounts. Is it not? What if I do it like that? That's gonna be R top plus 2 R left plus 2 R width minus 4 R height minus 4. Is this going to work? Interesting. What? Wait, what? It's really weird. XY width height. What just happened? Is this still working out? Yes. If I do this, that's very weird. I don't get that at all. Oh, wait a minute. Is the canvas using the correct size? New render target. Oh, it's using just the Windows. Oh, that's okay, right? Windows size, Windows size. Okay. That's another mystery. Huh. What am I missing? It must be super obvious. Draw. Draws all of them. With that. That's interesting. Are using the no idea. Why wouldn't that work? Why? What's that? What's that? Why would it be there? That does not make sense at all. Ah. Rectangle. I mean, there's nothing to break. Destination. It's all perfectly fine. Come on, what's going on? Bonkers. This is fine. Let's try. Let's try assigning a random color, I guess. Doing a random color is always a pain. You need to do the random new blah blah. Then the color new blah blah. It's actually excluding the like that. Will that show something? The rectangles are perfectly fine. There are the smaller ones, these, those, everything's fine. Absolutely perfect. Okay, now when I do the inner one, like that. Is it because I'm using the same texture? Is this breaking things? Okay. But should have been smaller. Ah. The negative values should work according to the documentation. Why is it not? Why is it not? Why is it not? I tried that already. Okay. This is doing nothing for reasons unknown. If I do it like that, it's gonna be all. Yeah. I don't get it. I don't. Don't need this. What's that? Hmm. That's super weird. Is it because of the textures being used for both? But that does not make sense. Does not make sense. This is swapped right. This should be left. This should be top. Okay, my bad. But why wouldn't the inflate? That wouldn't work. I mean, what's up with that? Let's actually clear the window with a color. With a, I don't know. Maybe some nice cornflower blue. Where's my cornflower blue? Needs to be somewhere else. Uh, Not clearing it anywhere there. Okay. Cornflower blue. There's black. That's in the scene. Okay. So we need this. And that's in the transition. We are not using. Okay. Okay, so those are that's the background. That's the border, and it's more narrow around, yeah, because that's doubled. Okay. Okay. Right. Like to note it's almost 11 p.m. I'm tired, so don't hate me for making stupid mistakes. Where's the tile? Where's the tile? There's the tile. Let's clean up. I still think, though, the inflate should work correctly. Not sure why it wouldn't. I need to try that again. And let's get rid of this. It's not deflating at all. Is it what is this supposed to do? Adjust the edges. Yeah. I don't know. Should work. If I do that. I'm not sure I'm gonna. Yeah. So let's do 50 and see if no, nothing is happening there. Nothing. Why? I don't get it. I just don't get it. I don't know. Let's go back to that. Okay. Getting somewhere at least. It's close to this now. Got the playing field. Let's put in the numbers before I fell asleep. Okay. Yeah. Oh, and centering the numbers, that's gonna be another pain. Does the rectangle have something like its center? Yeah, it has. Okay, then it might be. So we've got the ID. We just need to draw a number. For that, we need a font. $32 volt. Okay. We need to do a font like sand 32 volt. And to load the font, let me use the global since we've got it set up. Sprite font, font, and inside the load, let's do font is content load sprite font. I want. Okay. Now let's do global sprite veg drawstring. You want the font then you want the text. It's gonna be ID. Yeah, this ID. Then we want a position. It's gonna be the problem. Slight problem. It's gonna be okay. Slight problem. Or okay. Okay, position. Let's do the rectangle center. Is that a vector? That's a point, but okay, to vector to color. Color is gonna be white, not wheat, white, and this is gonna be all over the place, but yeah. Let's center that. Should be easy. Okay. Public vector. Let's actually do private. Private vector 2. Offset. And that's gonna be something. Yeah, we need. Gonna have to redo this into a standard constructor again. Is there a thing for it? Generate constructor. Well, thank you, but can you keep my stuff? Okay. Can I do can I do? Can I do global font measure string? No, maybe I can. ID to string. Is that something you would like? Okay, we're in business, but I need to do that. And where's the position? Is it like that? Minus this. Then now it's gonna be absolutely perfect. I'm surprised I'm right. Okay. The font can be a bit bigger. Just a tiny bit. A whole bunch. Okay, let's experiment. Where's our font? Somewhere there. We got 32. Oh, we do double. Is it gonna fit? I don't think so. Kinda. Okay. Do I keep it like that? Maybe. Probably. Why not? It's pretty close to the PowerPoint version. Not sure why the font's looking slightly different. But hey, do we have like a Alex in black? Okay, let's try Alex in black if that does anything. No, I guess it's not fine. Is it case sensitive? Okay. But this is close enough. I can live with that. It's okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's try handling the input. So, I don't know. What do we have in the input? Ah, we don't have. Okay. I don't know, something like public static. Is it vector? Is it point? What does it need? A rectangle contains a point or a vector, so it does not matter. Can have a point. I think the mouse returns a point. Let's go with point. Point up. Mouse pause. Probably. Let's return mouse up. Mouse. Oh. Okay, let's do it inside the update. Mouse pause. Say current mouse state. Mouse get state. Mouse pause position. That's point. Okay. And what's that? Okay, get private set. Oh. Okay. Oh, we need all the thingies for clicking and stuff. Okay. Okay, then private mouse mouse state like okay last mouse is this public static mouse clicked mouse clicked get private set. Let's do mouse click is CMS left button is what was it? What's that? What's that? Button state pressed and last mouse button is released. Something like that, right? Okay. Oof. Should have copied that from somewhere. Rectangle mouse pause. Something like if input manager mouse clicked and rectangle contains this, then we do something like I don't know private, I don't know, could be public, I don't know, public pool, I don't know, active get private set. Okay, let's do, and it's gonna be true. It's gonna be false, and let's do if not active, then do nothing. Ah, okay, something like that. Not calling the update. So let's update the board. Board. It's gonna be something like that. Update in the scene. Something like that. Update, and now we go. Okay. Okay. This is working. Let's do something like public void reset. File active true. let's do reset. Active is true. I have not assigned that to anything. Okay. Missing a bracket. Let's do something like do we have for the keyboard key pressed, key down, key pressed. So inside the what board update, if board manager key pressed keys space redo reset. Okay. Okay. Cool. Okay, so that's a good basis. I'm gonna add some animations to the disappearance and stuff. We add a sound effect. Yeah, but that's a great start. Okay. What's the time? Okay, 2 hours almost. Yeah, I mean, took 2 hours to do that. Yeah, okay. Had some major hiccups, but got there eventually. Okay, I think it's a really good start. Do I want to add the backgrounds? I don't have the image at hand, so let's just stick with that. Yeah, I'm gonna continue maybe tomorrow. I don't know. I want to finish this ASAP so we can shoot another episode of the show. This will help a lot because managing the all the stuff around, counting the scores, whose turn it is and stuff was not ideal. If I will have this tool to do all of that for me, it's gonna be perfect. Okay, so we've got this. Might do something about the borders. Oh, I don't know. It's okay. So, it's gonna be all for this session. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye on the channel where we're gonna continue. If you would like to compete in the game show, let me know in the comments. Join the Discord. Contact me on the Discord, email, in the comment, wherever. And you can participate pretty much. Watch the pilot episode. I know the audio is not the best. That was a mistake on my side. Very sorry. Won't happen again. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon. Thank you. Bye bye.